Yo, cat daddy. Channel cat. We're on something. Florida man's on something. Welcome back to Florida Man Fishing. You see what we're doing today over here at the Lawn Cabbage. Got some dead shrimp out there. We already got one bite. See what happens. Got Pops here with me.
Cat.
What are we going for today?
Channel cat, baby.
Channel cat. You guys heard it. Just see what happens. I did get one little bite already. I was skeptical at first because of how high the water is, but hopefully you guys see us hook up. See you soon. Ciao. I gotcha. Get that thing in. What you got on there?
Coming to me, whatever.
With that rod, yeah. Looks like he's fighting good. Dad, don't judge us. We're using freaking surf rods in freshwater. It's only because we got to get it out there that far. Yo, cat daddy. Channel cat.
Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Look how dark he is.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
Watch them whiskers. And them horns. There he is.
Dude, that's good eating right there.
It is.
Speckled cat. Fork a tail.
Fork a tail. Look at the specks on that guy.
Pretty.
Awesome. Good stuff, Dad. Good catch.
Let him go.
Yeah, go ahead and turn him loose. You're good. That's almost a little too small for eater.
Yeah. I fucking turkey.
We're on something.
I hooked his ass good.
Florida man's on something.
I hooked his ass right in that bottom of it.
Ooh, good head shake. It's a catfish.
Catfish?
Gotta be.
Damn, them are good sizes, dude.
There you go. Catfish Billy.
Dude, these are actually perfect size for cooking. They really are.
Hey, we're getting into them, right?
Yeah.
That's all that matters. I got some pliers in there if you need them. Yeah, I got him filmed. I'm filming it right now. Got you unhooking him. What's up, man? Toss him back in if you want.
Nice catfish. Speckled cat.
Yeah.
A forky tail, baby. See?
Yeah, fork tail.
But he's even.
Yeah.
Here.
Thank you.
Here.
You toss him back.
Nice. Stick it in the roller. In the roller. Yeah, he got some butt on him. He's pulling.
What you got on there?
I don't know. He's pulling pretty good. I'll set that drag. I got that drag set. Very real hard. Feels like a catfish.
Is it a big catfish though, huh?
Yeah, I hope it's a
Oh yeah. Look at that rod tip bouncing. Get him, Dad. This might be the fish of the day right here. Oh, he didn't like that bank, did he?
Nope.
What you got on there?
I don't know what he is.
Big old cat.
Nice.
That is a nice one. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Stud.
That is a nice one. That's worth the trip right there.
It is.
Fork tail.
Look at that perfect hook set.
I know, look.
I think he was hooked before you got him on there.
Oh yeah.
He was swimming off with it.
Yeah.
Good fish. Look at that. Nice.
Nice catfish, baby.
Catfish Billy in the house. Good fish,
Billy's here. Look at the leeches on him. Look at them leeches.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
I'm gonna rake them off of you.
All right.
And I'll let him go.
Are you gonna help him out?
Yep. I'll get the leeches up.
Oh, look at mine's going off now. Oh yeah. See mud? Come on, baby, hit it. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I'm gonna help this catfish out before I let it go. You get him?
No.
Look at these leeches all over the place.
Got him now.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. This hit on the retrieve, Dad. Look, he's swimming up the bank. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah.
No, man, I should have kept that. We got a batch of fish. Wow.
Look at that.
It's bigger than mine. Well, it's actually about the same size, dude. That's a school of them. We didn't run into a school.
We'll probably sit here and smack them now, won't we?
Yeah.
That's a good looking fish right there. He hit that thing on the retrieve. Look at that. Good fish, man.
Nice catfish.
We're killing them out here today. Too bad we didn't bring something to keep him home.
He's got one on him, no?
There's another one, baby. Another one in the boat. Well guys, that's gonna about wrap things up today. We got into some pretty fish, caught some pretty speckled catfish. Dad calls them fork tails. Got to fish with Dad today. We're in it, ain't we, Dad?
Oh yeah. Good.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the footage. Starting off the year right, catching fish, that's all it's about. If you guys can, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. All that good stuff. We're gonna be pushing hard this year. See you soon. Ciao.